Hey, what's up? It's your boy SK Visions, and today we have another video for you. Today we have a 2-light setup. I'll be focusing on the Ellen Chrome with silver interior, and I also have a hair light. I'll show you how that enhances the photo. Today I got my lovely model, Unique. Her Instagram is IamNeek, and I'll leave that in the description for you guys. Iam.neek. Okay, so if you come over here, I have my setup. I normally tether to Capture One. Capture One is my go-to. I really don't know why. I really love Lightroom, to be honest, but Capture One is my go-to for tethering. For colors, I normally go to Lightroom. All right, so I got my Canon R6. I got my 70-200 Tamron lens. I got my almost trusty laptop. And I also tether to my SD card. It's plugged in right here. I have my Godox AD400. It's probably my favorite light right now. And I'm shooting into the umbrella, and the light will bounce back to my model right here. The reason why I'm focusing on the actual umbrella is because, to be honest, this is the best modifier I've used, to be honest. It's very wide verse. You could put a diffuser on this and get a lot of soft light. You take the diffuser off and you use it like this, you get a lot of harshness, a lot of contrast, and I like contrast in a lot of like cosmetic shoots and stuff like that. So I'll be using this for my portfolio. All right, I just want to make sure everything is connected. So yes, I have a Godox trigger on here. Do not mind the tape. Everything is busted over here. This that I'm using right now, it's battery powered, so I have it plugged in, and I have my 8600 Godox there with a strip box Godox, of course. All right. And I know a lot of you guys are probably going to talk about my C-stand. It is on the wrong side. It's okay. All right. So I'm just going to get straight into it. I am going to turn off my main light, my key light. Just press mode. All right. And I'm gonna take a shot with just the hair light. Wait, let me get it focused. All right. As you can see, it's not really doing much, but I just wanted to get a nice hint of hair light. I don't want it too much. I could always turn it up. I could always bring it closer to the model. You could always play with the distance of your light. Oh, before I even start, I have my shutter speed at 1/100. I have my f-stop at f10, and I have my ISO at 100. All right, so I'm gonna take one more shot to make sure everything is connected. Yep. And again, there's not really much. You could see a nice hint on her forehead, her nose, her chest area. And then we're gonna turn on the key light. I'll just do it from the trigger. All right, I have this light at 1/4, and I also have this light at 1/4. All right, so we're gonna take a shot with both lights. Test my distance, and there, as you can see, I have no light on the backdrop itself because I want it to be dark, and I want the pink to pop on her makeup. All right. So I pretty much got it where I wanted it. If anything, I can always adjust my colors or my exposure in Capture One. I'm gonna just add a little contrast so you can see the difference. I'll probably put it at 5. All right, are you ready, Nick? Okay, all right, so we're gonna start. Right. So I'm not really going for much today. I just want you to look as cute as you can. All right, ready? I make girls laugh. It's okay. I'm, you know. Yes, ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, and just separate your mouth just a little bit, yeah. Just like that. Actually, I'm gonna have you turned a little this way. Yeah, just like that. All right, so I'm just gonna raise this just a little bit because it's bothering me. And I'll just show you what it also looks like. After I take these shots, I'm gonna show you what it looks like without the hair light so you can see what you would like to do. All right, ready? Yes. Also, always try to make sure that I tell everybody you need to invest in a good makeup artist and a good model. If you have a good model and a good makeup artist, your life will become way easier. It is not easy to get that. You just gotta practice, hone in on your craft, and you should be good. All right. Oh, I have a key tip that I forgot to say. I normally start it off like that. When you are working with Flash, you always wanna make sure that you cut out all the ambient light. So I'll do that at the end of the video this time. All right, a couple more. Yes, I'm gonna go the lower angle. Get some dynamic shots, just like that. I also went to the gym today, so I'm kind of sore, but I'm gonna work through it. Yes. Yes. Oh, she a natural, okay. Okay. All right. So I am gonna turn off the hair light. I'll do it from my trigger again. All right, so I'm gonna take some shots without the hair light so you can see a difference. Yes. The perks of using a zoom lens, I don't really have to move too much. I can just move. I can zoom in each time I take a shot, zoom out. That's how I let everybody know they need to invest in a zoom lens for beauty shots. All right, a couple more. Oops. Ready? Couple more. I'm actually hot as hell. Oh, that didn't flash. All right, ready again? All right. So, I won't add any more lights. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some V-flats. Again, V-flats are very powerful. Well, I can't say again, I didn't say it. V-flats are very powerful with everything that I do, because a lot of times I either wanna bounce light or absorb light. Not really absorb light, but you want to add shadow. All right. So these we made from Home Depot. We're gonna put them to use, because I ain't gonna spend my money and not use my stuff, okay? All right. So I am gonna put it on the dark side right now. Push this in. And I'm gonna, there's not really much I can do on this side. All right. I'm sorry for all this. I should have had it set up. But it's the beauty of it. I can show you exactly how I go about my shoots. My shoots don't even last more than 15 minutes. at a time. And normally I have somebody helping me. All right, kind of, come here. Yeah, I'm a hairstylist too at my day job. All right, ready again? So this is without the hair light. Actually, I'm just realizing something. I have this on the wrong side. So let me add shadow. Push this in. All right. And then let's start again. So without the hair light. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Zoom in. Lovely. Lovely. Chin up. All right. So those are my masterpieces. I actually see a lot of light on the hair already without the hair light, so you can always get away with one light. This is a silver. This clamshell is silver, so a lot of times light bounces. So if I shoot this is actually covering her hair, so I can get spillage of light on her hair. But if you want to spice it up, you can always turn back the hair light on. Let me check this. And I have it 1/1/4 again. Yes. Perfect. I don't know how I begin these models, to be honest, man. I'm just blessed. I ain't gotta do shit. Arch your back a little bit more. All right. But yes, always try to reach out to models. A lot of them will leave you unseen. I have my fair share of those. Thankfully, she did not leave me unseen. And a lot of the models that I work with now do not leave me unseen. But get your work up. There's never any hard feelings. Sorry if you can't see my face. Yes. Just like that. Turn a little more to the side and look over your shoulder. All right. Chin up. Yes. Couple more shots, we good. Either way. All right. Let me take some hair off her shoulder real quick. All right, ready? I'll be managing Neek right now. So any bookings, please follow my Instagram and email me, okay? And she's gonna be charging at least $300 an hour. All right, so I hope you guys could see the difference with a hair light and what you could, yeah, I know it looks good, of course, it's me. And what you could achieve with just a silver umbrella. If you want it to be more soft, if you want to get less light, you could always put a diffuser on there. Not really less light, softer light. And you could achieve a different look, but pretty much what you want. So if I'm doing a campaign, if I'm doing a collab, if I'm doing anything, I always pick this out first before I pick any modifier out. And the reason for the strip box as the hair light is that, and I have a grid on there as well. And the reason for that is so that I can isolate the light better, create a strip of light so it doesn't spread. All right. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I do my best to answer. And as always, stay tuned next time. I'm out.